Welcome to Nuer Tube. Today we are going to learn about some phrases that are very useful to learn English and Nuer language. I prepared some daily phrases which I think they are very useful for you to learn, and they can help you to communicate with your friends or whoever you want to talk to on your daily basis communication. Okay, here before we start this lesson, can connect to Garachame. Go again or gender subscribe. There are work sharing the comment. Okay, don't name there you work. Mentoria leka kadishal ka dobrini katoknat dobrini dob dobrini rini to go ke qui roch kam minat ala dobrini neme da yelwak. I prepared this lesson in order uh, to help you speak English and Toknat. So just follow the lesson. Let's get started. Okay, here I can reach it. This sentence I can reach it mean Chana Luanka chop. You can see it from this picture, you know. Di nen gwata me la ja ona no dara ja chop no che Luanka chop di nen I can reach it. I can reach it. Chana Luanka chop. Okay, you can see that. Next one is I can lift it. I can lift it. I can lift it. Chana Luang ka kapnial. Di nen ka turna ma jana ja dara ja kapnial cha jalong. Chana Luang ka kapnial. And chana Luang ka kapnial. Me use con I can lift it. And chana Luang ka kapnial. Chana Luang ka kapnial. Okay, di nen ka turna me chana Luang ka kapnial. Okay. I can afford it. I can afford to buy it. Chana Luang ka cook. Maguru ja koku door. Dundo she pick the she Luang pick down there kwakaja. Di larno I can afford to buy it. Di nyo larbo no I can afford it. Chana Luang, you know. Sirmi kon largwa me I can lift it. Di larbo no I can afford to lift it. Chana Luang ka kamnial. I can afford it. Kwaje nyo drop mi te mi jine lade dundo she Luang kalane. Okay, Michelle Wangalana, you can say it, I can afford it. Me, Michelle de Longa cook, de Larno, I can afford to buy it. Shana Luanka cook, and Shana Luanka cook. The Nen Guasame, Nanny and Tournamene, no, I didn't cock a duel to know which a duel de Longa cook, ko yoke and wanka. I can afford to buy it. And Shana Luanka cook, ko yoke and wanka. And Shana Luanka cook, I can afford to buy it. Then move on. I can pull it. I can pull it. I can pull it. I can pull it. Shana luanka tot nen yana turna me or ona je shiedera je tot kiedera woni ala je nisha luang. I can pull it. Gwada me me namani a short form of namani. I cannot pull it. Dienen ajana kelo mugur jeno dong de gor ki do bran de larka je. Shana luang ka tot. Mitem to the road jen chen to the road nial do no sha luang to the road nial do no sha jalong. I cannot pull it. Uh, I can pull it. I cannot pull it again. I can. I'm in a short form. I can't pull it. The can't jatin guam can't cannot. Okay. I can't pull it. Shana luang ka tot. I cannot pull it. Shana luang ka ngu ka tot. Di lara no no. Oh, there you look, Michi, keep on practice. If you continue practice, this become easier for you to say it in English and in Toknat. Okay. Let's move on. I can push it. I can push it. The same thing you can learn. I can't see me take a apostrophe then kt. Deal I cannot push it. Chana luanka wok. I cannot push it. I can't push it. Dinen uda me o kaja. I can't push it. Chana luanka wok. Chana luanka wok. I cannot push it. I can't push it. Chana luanka wok. Muogo door. Muogodor shwale push hook a push mukularo shana luanka hook I can push it kamlara je I can push it mishi kon negative kon lapel I can push it I can push it katonat gwada me de kon larne na en luang je cook luang je cook di lar I can push it I can push it en shana luanka hook okay dia ja shieling atama ki chita dandi nanga ja shianga I can push it and longa ja ko milara ja shan long ko I can push it I cannot push it okay I cannot push it and shan long ko ki de larne shan long ko I am tilting my head I am tilting my head de nen ka turne me ngula da mon turne me tama changwak de cheja gong chejan han gang wida ki han gang ngwak de ko lar chera ka gang ma gang widu I am tilting my head I tilt my head changwak de gong na mani chwale continuous tense ala tilting you know na me verbs a verb of action ala verb let kene mu wewe ki me latke I am tilting my head and gang wida read me a verb tilting I am tilting my head and gang wida de chunen ga jentur na me no rama me carton me jen che wida che gang and gang wida I'm tilting my head de yo ngulerma I am tilting my head and gang wida ken gang and wida I am squinting my eyes I am squinting my eye and miedan wanka ko benin agwa ki benin agwa me guje dorman nan ka she lwanko de rejengi la wanko la ka mi di mat wango bugala che to dika chale squinting was a verb of action squint a verb mucha la chere ke present tense mucha nan ka continuous tense but be squinting ba jeno ko kuje mo ko turna me de en wanka gui gwata me wanka shaka mi da mat del me ajogo no ngu guje mo ne me la wan kwa mi de mo bo I am squinting my eyes biri sana na ku me wangu ku kala mi ke bi ku la dong tem guje mo nan mi shil wanka guje chale squinting I am squinting my eyes and me da wanka ko benen agwa ki ko benen agwa I am stroking my shin. I am stroking my shin. And you are a tigda. And carp tigda. And gwada tigda. Okay. And then we go way down the hill. Okay. There go. I am stroking my chin. Dia ja there are you. Me you are ja. Nana ka turna me. Turna guji enta. Chatede chajalat ka tigda. I am stroking my shin. Ki to the tigda. KUI tigda ana magwam de lar ka de lar stroking I am stroking my shin stroking a verb of action okay do not forget that play jump pacing play in kararo verb of action I am stroking my shin NUI tigda I am scratching my head I am scratching my head dinen ka turne me angulelamo and joanya wida turam ri no ramme jonya wida and joanya wida I am scratching my head and joanya wida cha chublo dutama I am scratching my head. What are you doing? I am scratching my head. Angulele mo and join with that. Ngu join with you there is you laugh. And do dan and join with you. Temi shiri nyon kuka widu le widu you can scratch your head. Neme chala verb of action is scratching. I am scratching my head and join with that. You can see it from the picture. He is drowning. He is drowning. Di nen gwasa me ka jen turna me ne rama me moi. Jen moi. He is drowning. Jen de kon larba no gwasa me she is drowning. Jen moi. Mlaro sha moi. She drowned. Duno kon gwasa ko lat kon je jen moi ala she raja ka ngu kenyal. I raja kenyal ka kuja mo ba nang jen ka tungnat. De ko lar wuda mo moi do le mo moi murai kon ke he mi e she's drawn de ko lar nya mo moi do no kan dia chaga lar kami shale jen ko kan shu ken kan kalat jen moi ne yen wuda me drowning is drowning. Okay, mi e shek ba chol she's drowning. Oh I hope you get something here. Okay, bana we won yam gwa the mene. Let's take a look at these phrases. She is sleeping. She is sleeping. Jen cha chat. Dien en gwa pin take a pew cha chat. Jen cha chat ke jen cha tet ke jen cha pan. Ano. Di nang ka jen duom. She is sleeping. Di larbon is sleeping. Me wood. He is sleeping. Jen cha chat. It is sleeping. Jen bo cha chat ala mularje. Jen ala it ke shit kan de shal ka ke shall get singular pronouns. Okay, do not forget that singular pronoun ke it shall get singular pronouns. Nanga ke jen makan ke indicate she raja ke kui shek kenyal I raja ke kui wuda ke dol it raja ke mishraj micha mention ke mo kwai ke shoda jen raja ke kui de mone bi dagden bi cho ngai gwada me kan dia nanga ke jen cha sha jen cha tet. Okay, let's move on. She is rolling down. She is rolling down. Dien en guarda me dunya rode jen dunya rode. Like I say earlier, you can use e here and you can use it. Okay, in singular pronouns, you can use any of these. She is rolling, it is rolling down. Okay, depending on the sentence that you want to make. Jen dunya rode. Nyam dunya rode, uda dunya rode, gada dunya rode. You can use any of these. He is tripping. He is tripping. Okay. Jen kose. Jen kose. Tripping. Michi chori shi piyam ka dwar chim nene ka turu gwadam. Michi chori piyam ka dwar na. Ba actually trip. Okay. I tripped. Like chikon lar gwadam. He tripped. Jen chakot. Chala kot. Trip chala kot katungnat. He is stripping. Sorry, I put as there, but he is tripping. Jen kose. He tripped jen chakot. Chia degda ngaja te gwadame. De kon she latbo gwadame mugor kone she de kon it but de kon Latin. It depends on the phrase that you are trying to make. Okay. Up to this point, mishi chobong gwadame. It means that you learn a great deal of English phrases versus Tongnat. Okay, and the next move that I would like you to do is help me by subscribing, like, share with your friends. Okay, and do not forget to hit the notification bell in case I upload any new video. Please go through this lesson again. Try to learn it. Try to keep repeating the video. Watch it twice, 3 times a day, or 4, depending on your free time. Okay, it will help you a lot. Do not forget to share it with friends. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.